Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you also fine, taking care of yourself. I am also fine. Today in this video I am going to show ideas and designing about crochet and knitting raccoon cowl. You can see different sizes and different varieties of crochet and knitting raccoon cowl in this my video. They look very gorgeous and pretty. You can also stitch in your own home by using crochet and knitting technique, and also buy it from market. Many sizes and many varieties are easily available in market. You can see different sizes of baby neck crochet and knitting raccoon cows in this my video, because they look very gorgeous, and you can make different funny styles of raccoons cowl. You can make in a different size, such as in cow raccoon designs, and also in cat designs, and many other different designs according to your choice. And you can also make in different color and also in one color theme. You can make different stitch in one color, such as in red, gray, blue, black, brown, and many other different colors, beautiful colors according to your choice. And you can also stitch in different colors, such as in multicolors, and also in different many other different styles. You can also use different styles of buttons and side buttons to decorate and enhance the beauty of your raccoon cowl. And you can wear these crochet knitting raccoon cowl in winter season, because they are not only stylish, but they also it with they are very fashionable and gorgeous. I hope you like all these crochet knitting raccoon cowl in this my video. And if you want to make these crochet knitting raccoon cowl in order, please see the link in my description. Touch the link and contact with us. And if you have any question, please tell me in the comment section. I always available for you, inshallah. Okay viewers, see you later in my next video. Take care, may God bless you. I pray love for your health and wealth. Remembers me in your prayers. Thanks for supporting us. And okay viewers, take care and goodbye.